Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm actually planning in my Mini Homebody dashboard layout, and I'm going to be using some kind of fallish looking flowers that I found in the Squad Goals sticker book. I'm also going to be using Squad Life just to kind of give some accents. So I did put my mini back in my Foxy Fix white leather cover. And I looked on Foxy Fix and all of their perfect fit covers are out of stock. So that was a big bummer because I kind of wanted to order a new cover. And you can tell I have not been using my mini planner at all. But I did just realize the other day I was changing my purse and I realized how much I actually miss having this with me. So I'm gonna just from now on start carrying it in my purse. So we're planning for the week of August 17th through the 23rd. And also, speaking of covers, I did go online and just order Notique. I don't even know if you're familiar with that brand, but she has a blush, beautiful blush pink mini Happy Planner cover. She also has it available for the classic, but the classic was sold out at the moment. So anyways, I did order the mini, so I'll be showing you guys that whenever I get it in. We'll do an unboxing and a setup video. So let's see. I want to. It's been a while since I've actually used this layout, so I've got to try to figure out what I'm gonna do. Here's what I picked out. I'm just gonna try to use all the colors that are in these flowers in the spread, so we'll see how that turns out. But I am going to use some of the headers that I got out of Squad Life. So let's go ahead and white these out. Now, I guess I'm just going to not even worry about these colors here. I guess they'll kind of be okay with the stickers that I'm using. We'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in that focus box yet either. So let's just put my headers up here. I think I'm going to go back, and I don't like that, the way that I've got that combination there. So I think what I want to do is I want to go pink, this bluish teal color, and then pink. And the way I've got it here, that's wrong. So let's change this up. I want to go to do here, to buy. So I need the pink to buy. And we'll put the pink to do back. I just got two of my colors mixed up there, so we'll put those back and I'll use those later. Okay, try again. So we're gonna go to buy, because this is my longest checklist. So if I use this in my purse, I would use it kind of like a shopping list if I ever go out again and actually go in the store and buy things, which I do sometimes, occasionally, not much. If it tells you anything, we bought my car new in December of 2018, and I never really drove much anyways, but since Corona happened in March, my car was, what, 15 months old, and I think the car had like 11 miles on it when we bought it. And so now I'm at 20 months. I've had the car 20 months, and it's only got 16,000 miles on it. So if that tells you anything, I don't really get out much. So anyway, I basically go to the grocery store once a week to do my Walmart grocery pickup, and that's about it. But I still miss my mini planner, so I'm going to use it. All right, so I got my headers covered up. I'm going to decorate down here at the bottom, and I'm also going to cover up this green leaf. So let's do that. I think I'm going to use a couple of these icons on this the dates page, because I thought maybe I could use it kind of like I don't know, like highlight of the day or something over here on this side. I don't know. I was just kind of thinking about how I could use this planner. So we'll see, but I am going to use some of those little icons over there. So I know I'm going to use that flower. Excuse me. I kind of don't want to use any of these oranges or browns. But I mean, I guess I could, but they really don't match my stickers. So let's just try to stay away from those. So that's orange. Don't have a whole lot of options here. Let's see what we can find. And just kind of play. I may be able to put a quote down here at the bottom too. I don't know yet. We'll see what I come up with. So I am going to white out focus, and I'm just going to take this big flower sticker here, and I think I'm going to put it there. Just kind of like in this box. How do I want to do this? Maybe like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out with my X-Acto so that it looks like it's sitting inside of this box. We'll see how this turns out. And then I'll use these little scrap pieces somewhere else. So that's cute. And then we're just going to cut off the edge, and I'll use these pieces somewhere else as well. So that's cute. It looks like it's just kind of inside that box there. And let's put something, maybe try to use this little teeny tiny sliver here. We'll put beside this pink flower. I don't like wasting any of my stickers, so you'll see me do this quite a bit where I use those little tiny slivers. This piece actually got stuck under there. I don't need that. Let's try that again. Okay, so that's really cute. And then we'll come down here at the bottom, and I don't have any really small stickers, so I think I'm just gonna make like another little bouquet kind of with these two flowers and just see how this looks like in this corner. So let's take this one and make it go up, and then I'll have to cut out that hole punch there. And we'll take this one and kind of, let's see, maybe like that. I think that's kind of cute there. So let's cut this off, and while I'm thinking of it, because if you watched my classic, you know that I forgot to actually cut the hole out until I tried to put it in my planner and it didn't work. So we're going to do that real quick. Oops. All right. I'm going to use the back of my sticker book so that I don't cut my little vinyl backdrop here. And then if you guys have not watched my classic plan with me yet, I will try to link it, a little card up here for you. Don't leave this video to go watch that one, but make sure you watch it because I do have information and some coupon codes for free printables on my new website. So y'all make sure you go watch that. I have all 3 sizes available for Happy Planners, from the mini, classic, and big. And you can download and print any of the inserts that I have on there for free if you'll use that coupon code that's in that video for you guys. All right, so that is really cute. Now I need to put something up here to cover up this homebody leaf because I really do not like that. It does not go with what I've got going on here. So what can I put up there? Oh look, there's a little teeny one that I could have used down here. Oh well, maybe I'll just stick that one up here and see what it looks like. Just to kind of take away some of the, I don't have to exactly cover up the whole homebody little leaf, but I do want to cover up most of it because it doesn't really go with this spread. And then I gotta cut a little bit of this out. And then we'll move on to the next page. So anyways, yeah, if you haven't seen that classic dashboard plan with me, make sure you head over there and watch that and get all those updates. If you're not already a part of our Facebook group, find me over on Facebook at Pleasantly Planned, and that's where I let them know first about the website being live. So that's where you'll get all your first-hand information before you get it on here. Okay, so now I want to take some washi and cover up dinner plans. I don't know what I'm going to use this section for. I may use it as dinner plans, just like on-the-go dinner plans, so that, I don't know, if I ever do get to go out and about anymore, I can see what I'm making for supper so that I know about what time I need to go home, or whatever, I don't know. But anyways, I want this section to match my layout. Now, one layer of washi, you can still see dinner plans behind there. So I'm going to try a second layer and see if that kind of covers that up. if you saw my classic plan with me video, I also made my own little meal plan stickers to cover up my classic size area here. So I may do that for the mini. I may just make those stickers in the mini size as well. So we'll see. But yeah, that covered up the dinner plans, just 2 layers of the washi. And this washi, I'll try to link in the description for you. I got several of these pretty pastel colors on Amazon quite a while back. But if Amazon still has them, I'll try to link them for you in the description box. Okay, so this all looks really cute together. Now I think I'm just going to put a couple bullet points in and maybe a little flower, a something flower down here. If I can figure out what to use. I really don't want to use that orange. So maybe I will just take this pink and cover up the 2020 up top and make this match. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not even going to put anything down here in the bottom. I'm just going to put this up here in the top and call this decorating part finished. I do want to get rid of that black line there though, because I don't want that going behind my flower. So let's just wipe that out with the Jelly Roll 10. And I think the Jelly Rolls are also linked in my description. And then I think I'm just going to kind of catty corner this once that Jelly Roll dries. Now I do have these little leftover pieces that I could put down here in the bottom just to kind of make this cohesive. I think what I'm going to do, that way I'm not wasting any little shreds again. I'm going to take this dark pinkish reddish color and put it here, and then come beside it with the pink, and then just kind of trim off a little bit of this. And then that way I've got decorations on both sides of this page too. So I think this is going to turn out cute, and I'm looking forward to having my little mini back in my purse. So how do I want to do this? Like that. Okay, so let's cut that off. And then I think this video, oh, I've got to put my little bullet points in there, and then this video is pretty much going to be finished. So let's see. Put the bullet, oh, I was going to put some boxes too. Gosh, y'all, I'm just losing it today. I'm too excited about my little mini. I can't remember what all I wanted to do. Okay, so what I was going to do is I was actually going to stagger boxes, colorful boxes, with some of the bullet points. So what do I want to do? I want to do box, 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 bullet points. All right, so this is where my colorful boxes collection is going to come in handy. So let's pull that out. And so what I did with all my colorful boxes sticker books is I put them in one of these Happy Planner DIY books, so that I could just access them easier. And I do not have, or I can't find, this light pink, but you know what? I bet I can find something, a pink to match the flowers. Let's see if I can find that. Because the flowers and the headers are a little bit different color. And I think this may match my flowers. Let's check it. I think it matches okay. It's just not the same pink as the headers. We'll see how it's going to look though, because I'd rather have the 3 different colors over here. The 3 different colors that are in my flowers. So let's just see how this is going to look. And play around. I think I'm going to put this one on Wednesday. So if I use these over here for like the highlight of the day, I could even do like a word of the day. I don't know how I'm going to use this planner actually, but it's not, there's not going to be a whole lot written in it anyway, so it's not like these boxes are going to mess up my writing space, because I'm not going to really put a whole lot in here. So I'm just going to center these boxes. This one is miscut, but that's okay. I'm going to center these boxes and then put some bullet points in. And then I think that'll be cute. So I don't want to put this green color up here because it'll be right beside that green. So let's grab a pink, and I just used the little stars. So we're gonna put this up here right under the date. And I need to grab some more. I don't remember which book these were in. I think they were in this one. Oops, there they are. And so they do have the orange little icons and not the reddish color, but I'm not using the orange, so I'm not even gonna grab one of those. And then I don't have bullet points to match these two stickers, so I'm just gonna use the pink and the turquoise. I don't know. That's gonna mess up my OCD, and that's another thing. Somebody had commented on one of my videos the other day, and she wasn't being rude, but she did say something about me mentioning or joking about my OCD, and that I may end up hurting somebody's feelings or whatnot. But I replied to her and let her know that I do have OCD. I was diagnosed with OCD in 2001. So I know all about OCD and the counting and the irrational fears and all of that. So if I say something about my OCD, it is not because I don't have OCD and I'm just using the term and just throwing it out there. I do have OCD, so I know all about it, and I would never poke fun at anybody with any kind of mental illness. I have my fair share of those issues. So anyways, just don't think I'm picking at people, picking on people. All right, I think this spread is finished. Like I said, I'm not gonna put any type of header up here because I'm really not sure how I'm gonna use that yet. But I think this turned out super cute. And I don't think I've actually used this planner, since Corona, since March. I don't even know, did I decorate? I did my, okay, so I decorated in April. So it looks like basically I stopped using it in March. Yeah, and I used it there and didn't use it there, but I guess I was still doing videos for you guys. These are really cute spreads too. I should probably change the dates on these and use them. But anyways, I'm going to try to start using this again. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Give me a big like. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider. Make sure if you do hit the subscribe button, you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. And follow me over on Instagram at pleasantly_planned. And so this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.